I just a wall of stone? Am I flesh that's shaped by bone? Am I mind that has no form? A raindrop in a thunderstorm? Am I clay that is not fired? Seeking peace and yet denied. So look for me someday in the mirror of my eye. I will still be singing from the pages of the wise. Look for me someday in the mirror of my eyes, for I will still be singing from the pages of the wise. Am I sky and summer's end? Am I truth that will not bend? Am I shimmering on the sea, sunlight dancing bright and free? Am I memory sad and deep? Am I fortress dreamless sleep? So look for me someday in the mirror of my eyes, for I will still be singing from the pages of the wise. So look for me someday in the mirror of your mind, for I will still be singing from the pages of the wise. When all the toil day is done, am I mist in the morning sun?